Introduce highlight features or overview summary about SereneLife 91oz. Dehumidifier. The SereneLife Semiconductor Dehumidifier is a modern, compact, and intelligent solution for maintaining ideal humidity levels in your home or office. Designed for medium to large spaces up to 215 square feet, this powerful dehumidifier helps protect your environment from excess moisture while creating a healthier and more comfortable living space. At the heart of this unit is advanced semiconductor technology, which enables it to remove up to 17 ounces of moisture per day. This ensures effective humidity control without the heavy power consumption of larger models. Its 54-watt energy-efficient design makes it a practical choice for daily use, while its whisper-quiet operation allows you to run it overnight without disrupting sleep, work, or study. The SereneLife Dehumidifier is not only efficient but also smartly designed for user convenience. It comes with a range of intelligent features, such as a full-tank reminder light, automatic defrost, and an auto shut-off function for safety. Its reusable silica gel dehumidification module adds another layer of practicality, making it easy to maintain and environmentally friendly. The device also features customizable settings, including a 6, 12, 24-hour timer, sleep mode for quiet nighttime operation, and a 3-hour drying function. Its sleek polished white finish and compact structure allow it to blend seamlessly into modern interiors, while its lightweight 6.06-pound design and included DC adapter make it portable and easy to move from one room to another. The 0.6-gallon water tank provides sufficient capacity for everyday use, reducing the frequency of emptying while still being easy to handle. Perfect for bedrooms, kitchens, offices, or even cellars, this dehumidifier is versatile enough to meet different needs across your home. Whether you're tackling dampness in a confined space, preventing mold growth, or simply ensuring a more pleasant living environment, the SereneLife Semiconductor Dehumidifier offers reliable, energy-efficient, and quiet performance. With its thoughtful blend of technology, safety, and style, it is a must-have addition for anyone looking to enhance their indoor air quality. If you want to get full features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. You can press to subscribe, recommend new products releases, update all day YouTube channel, to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Thank you and see you next video.